So I'm recording now. All right. So our formula that we're going to use for this equation is E equals HV. All right. Now what does the E stand for? Energy. What's H stand for?
Planck stands for Planck constant.
Okay. Which also equals what? 6.63 times 10 to the what? Not even close.
34. Negative 34.
No. All right.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
All right. Guys. All right. So what is our frequency? We're finding that. So it's V, and it's V equals blank. All right. So we plug it in. E equals HV. Now, how do we solve for V? What do we do? Divide both sides by H. Okay. So V equals, what's our units right here? Okay, it is in joules.
Equals E over H.
Okay, right. So it's V equals E over H. Very good. Thank you. What's the number that goes on top? Okay, change the numbers up.
5.21
Times 10 to the what?
negative 20 negative 6.
Now what goes on bottom?
0.63 times 10 to the negative 34. Just a second.
Joule seconds. Now what cancels out? The joules. All right. Anybody hazard a guess as to what the exponent is going to be? Okay, if you want. So, in your calculators, I need you to put 5.21 times 10 to the negative 21st. So you put 5.21, second comma sign, negative 21. You understand what I mean by second comma sign?
Yeah, that on the little E.
Now, you don't have to do times 10 comma E. You just have to put the E. Okay? Divide it by what? Yes, ma'am. And what do you get left with?
7.858220211.
Okay. 7 point what? 858. All right. So here's how you solve these problems. You don't have to write down all of those numbers. All you have to do is look at what your original problem gave you in terms of sig figs, which in this case is 3. So write out 4 sig figs. Now, what's my times 10 to the what?
Why'd you write out 4 as well?
12. Because I want to know whether or not I need to round up or stay the same.
75, split 6.
Right. And if it's 2. Exactly. Now, whenever I solve it, my final answer, units and everything, I look here. Is this number greater than 5 or less than 5? So what happens to this number right here? Okay, so it's 7.86 times 10 to the 12th hertz. Hz. And that's my final answer.
So, what's the hertz for V? It's going to end in hertz. Is it only
Yes. If you're looking for frequency, it'll end in hertz.
Is it only frequency?
Yes, only frequency is in hertz.
What's the hertz?
A hertz,
Okay, hertz.
hertz. That's cycles per second. So you remember with the lines going up? You remember seeing that? Okay. That's how many times this wave passes a certain point right here per second. That's what a hertz is. Now, the conversely, wavelength, which is lambda, is the distance between these guys. Okay? And the speed is always constant because it's the speed of light. So any electromagnetic wave always travels at 300 million meters per second. 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second.
All right.
Does that make sense?
That makes great sense.
You sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when you do the calculator and stuff, you put in the formula. I'm confused. Like, I know you remember like the exponent thing, but when you put the exponent in the calculator, it comes out to be like a negative like 56.
Okay. So if you did that, what did you tell me exactly what you put in the calculator?
5.2 times 8
Times what? Okay, so did you do times E or just E? Yeah.